How to repost Instagram Reels. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're gonna learn how we can repost Instagram Reels, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So first of all, go ahead and then open up Instagram. Come to the Reels tab here. Let's say that there is a certain reel that you would like to directly repost it. Now, there isn't a direct way where you can completely re-upload a certain reel of some other creators, because that's basically called copyright infringement. However, I can give you two solutions for this. One thing is that instead of directly reposting it, you can share this to your story. So you can tap the DMs icon here and then tap the option known as add to story. And basically when you add this to your story, everyone who follow you will be able to view a story, and as a result, they will be directly redirected to that reel that you wanted to repost. However, let's say that this is not what you're looking for. You just want to directly post the reel to your own gallery or your own TikTok profile. For that, you can just tap the three dots option from the bottom right of the reel, and then here you will find the option called remix. Because we are not directly reposting it, however, we can add some videos, we can make some enhancement to the video and then repost that reel to our profile. So you can basically tap the remix icon here. As you tap on remix, you can actually remix it with original video or after original video. So you can actually add a certain 1 second or 2 second clip after this original video if you'd like to repost it. So basically you could have an outro for your Instagram profile. You can add that at the end of the video. Tap on after original video option here, and to do that you can just tap the next option, and then after that you'll have another option to select a photo or video. So once you've also captured this reel will get remixed, and as a result you will also be able to repost it to your own Instagram account, as you'll be able to find it here. And this way you'll be able to repost Instagram Reels. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.